Hi, I'm Emmanuel, a student of KNUST. This is my application submission for the Enter Apps Challenge. College Calendar Notification Application. CCN application is a student timetable and notification application developed to help students in class keep track of changes to their timetable and also get messages and notices from class reps / presidents and / or lecturers about class activities. As of now, the way most students get messages about shifting class times and impromptu classes are class Facebook pages and word of mouth from friends. This, however, is an inconvenient and hard to keep track way of disseminating such important information. This is where my application comes in. It allows class representatives / presidents and / or lecturers to create and make changes to class timetables and immediately make it available to all students. It also allows class representatives / presidents and / or lecturers to put up messages and notifications for the class and have all members of the class get the message as notifications on their phones and other mobile devices. It also alerts students on upcoming classes. The following is a set of use case demonstrations of how the application works.